What happens if the person who causes the car accident does not have insurance? I'm going to go a step further. What happens if the person who causes the accident does not have insurance and you don't have uninsured motorist coverage? Let's take it 3 steps further. What happens if the person who causes the accident does not have insurance and does not have assets which we could compensate you from, and you don't have uninsured motorist coverage? This is what happens. You're going to get dropped by all the car accident law firms. My name is Garrick McFadden, and I'm a Phoenix car accident lawyer. And let me be completely honest with you. If there is no way for us to collect money, regardless of what law firm it is, if there is no way for us to collect money, then sadly, you won't have a claim. There is nobody to get money from. Your injuries will remain uncompensated. Your ability to get back lost wages will be uncompensated. The damage to your car will be uncompensated. And that's, sadly, I fear, is what's going to happen in the very near future. Insurance companies have already raised the rates. They're sky high for premiums. Many people here in Arizona do not have uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. They just have the state bare minimum $25,000 liability. I need people to go get a $50,000, $100,000 UIM policy, right? What that means is you need to protect yourself from people who do not have insurance. I think I recently went through, of the last 12 cases, 9 of the cases, the person didn't have insurance. My clients, some of them had underinsured coverage or had uninsured coverage, and they were able to compensate themselves a little bit, but they had state minimums. So they barely were able to get back to even. They would have been in a better place if the person had insurance and then they could use their own insurance. I'm not an insurance salesperson, and you should talk to a licensed, authorized insurance person to see what's best for your situation. But as a car accident lawyer, I can tell you, if you ever had a previous surgery, brain surgery, spinal surgery, shoulder surgery, hip surgery, if you've had a surgery, then you need to have at least a $100,000, $300,000 policy. If you work for yourself, you're self-employed, you need to have a $250,000, $500,000 with underinsured and uninsured. But the truth of the matter is, unless you have uninsured motorist coverage, you're not going to be able to get compensated unless you get hit by somebody that we know has money, like a Britney Spears or a Larry Fitzgerald. My name is Garrick McFadden, and if you have any questions regarding this, give me a call, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can get more content like this, more legal advice that I give without it being legal advice. That's my disclaimer.